For most of human history, businesses didn't really think about marketing the way we understand it today. In the early industrial era, companies believed that if they produced enough goods, people would naturally buy them. This period is often called the production era. Factories focused on efficiency, mass manufacturing, and lowering costs rather than understanding customers. A famous example is Henry Ford, who revolutionized automobile production with the Model T. Ford once famously implied customers could have the car in any color they wanted, as long as it was black. The priority was production speed, not customer preference. And for a while, this strategy worked because demand was greater than supply. As industries expanded and competition increased, businesses realized that simply producing goods was not enough. By the 1930s and 1940s, companies entered what is known as the sales era. During this time, firms focused heavily on persuading customers to buy products through aggressive selling techniques and advertising. Salespeople, promotions, and mass advertising became common tools. The idea was simple: produce goods first, then convince people to buy them. While this approach boosted sales in many industries, it often ignored what customers actually wanted. By the 1950s, companies began to recognize a critical shift. Instead of pushing products onto customers, successful businesses started studying customer needs first. This period became known as the marketing era. Companies began conducting market research, analyzing consumer behavior, and developing products based on what people truly wanted. Scholars like Philip Kotler helped shape this transformation by introducing frameworks such as segmentation, targeting, and positioning, allowing businesses to understand different groups of customers and serve them more effectively. One company that perfectly demonstrated this shift was Coca-Cola. Rather than simply selling a drink, Coca-Cola built a global brand centered on happiness, sharing, and emotional connection. Through consistent branding and storytelling, Coca-Cola turned a simple beverage into one of the most recognizable brands in the world. This strategy showed that marketing was not only about products, but also about building meaning and emotional value around a brand. As technology advanced in the late 20th century, marketing evolved again into what many call relationship marketing. Businesses began focusing on long-term relationships with customers rather than one-time sales. Loyalty programs, customer service, and brand communities became important tools. Companies like Amazon built entire ecosystems around customer convenience, personalization, and trust, using data to understand and serve customers better than ever before. In the 21st century, marketing entered the digital and data-driven era. The rise of the internet, smartphones, and social media completely transformed how businesses communicate with customers. Companies can now track behavior, analyze data, and personalize marketing messages in real time. Chinese technology companies like Alibaba and Tencent have used massive digital ecosystems to understand consumer behavior at an incredible scale, showing how technology can reshape marketing strategies across entire economies. Today, marketing is no longer just about selling products. It is about understanding human behavior, creating value, and building lasting relationships with customers. From mass production to digital personalization, marketing has evolved into a complex system that connects technology, psychology, and business strategy. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore how the modern marketing ecosystem works and how businesses use different marketing strategies to reach and influence customers.